Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Easy Money in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-655. Easy Money, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Let's roll the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. 1.5 all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 20 watts. Average power swing. Hello. 45 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Oh, good 92, 93 watts. And something else we've done here for you. Now, Easy Money, you have several Roger beeps here. I don't use any, but kind of fun to play with. You can go over here to Program, push and hold function. After you turn that to Roger beep, push and hold function. You can select from 5 different Roger beeps there. So we're going to be on Roger beep 1. We're going to put it back over here. And this is the custom one we put in for you. Turn the top back up a little bit. Let's hear it one more time. Alright, well, just something a little fun to play with. If you're around all the time and I hear you out in there, I'll probably never do another radio for you. Just kidding, but yeah, I'm not much on them myself. Alright, Easy Money, I hope you enjoy it. Mr. Easy Money out of Kentucky, your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.